Hi, this is Christopher from CNC Loom Boys, and today I will be showing you how to make a Alpha Loom Dog Charm. And you can make any dog. Well, like you can change the design, the look of it. And I just made it like this, with brown and white, with a white mark that actually looks like an L. And yeah. So what you'll need is your Alpha Loom, your rainbow loom hook, your alpha cone, 4 white Alpha Loom bands, 3 pink Alpha Loom bands, 3 black Alpha Loom bands, a lot of brown Alpha Loom bands, and a bunch of clear rainbow loom bands. And if you don't have brown Alpha Loom colors, then you can just use regular rainbow loom brown bands, but you have to double it. So let's get started. The first thing you're supposed to do is the ears. So grab a bunch of brown, and now put bands on one band on each of the outside rows. Twist it like that. And now take 4 of your brown bands and put 2 of them on each of those same rows. So now there's 3 bands. And now take your comb and pull the cap band up. So it should look like that. And now take the top band and pull it over to the other side. To the next row. To the next row over. Like that. And now this is going to be different than normal. We are going to put bands on the outer 2 rows, but not on the other 2. And use your hook to take up the bottom 2 of those bands on the outer pins. Like that. And now pull the inner bands onto the outer pin. So now all of those bands are on either of those 2 sides. And now we are going to take another 2 brown bands and put them on the same rows. And now take the bottom 2 up. Like that. Now take 4 more. And now put 2 of them on each side. So it looks like that. 3 bands on each side. And now take the bottom 2 up with your comb. Like that. And now do the same thing we did before. I have messed up, but I will go back. This may take a while, but it gives you time to do it. Okay. there. And now it should look like that again. And now we're just going to do what normal, well, it's going to be different than before. Now we are going to put bands on all four. Like that. And now take the bottom four bands up. Like that. And now put inner bands back on the outer pins again. And now we're going to take up those two bands on each side, and now put two brown bands on, one brown band on each side. And now take the bottom two bands up with your comb. And now we have done the ears. And it may take a minute, but find your cap band. Try to find your cap band. For each one. And now just leave them out to the side, like that. And now we're going to grab a bunch of our brown and just set it in front of us. And now put brown bands on all 5 of the other pins twisted. Like that. And now get one of your clear bands and put it on all 7 of these bands. Like that. And now we are going to use 7 of our brown bands and put them on all 7 rows. So it should look like that. And now take the clear band up. Like that. And now take the bottom 7 bands up. And not all of mine went up. So it should look like this. And now you can see the ears poking out. And now what we are going to do is pull the outer 2 bands into the next row. So now there are going to be 2 bands on there. And so take another one of your clear bands. And now we are going to use one of our white bands. We are going to put it in that middle row, right there. And then take 4 brown bands and put them on the other 4. Like that. So now it looks like this. Now take the clear band up, and now take the 7 bands up. Sorry. Some of my bands are overlapping. And now take another clear band, and we are going to use another one of our white bands just on that same pin. Like that. And now take 4 more brown and stick them onto the other 4. Like that. And actually we are not going to use 4 brown bands because we are going to do the eyes. So take 2 of our black, take 2 of your black, and stick them right where those 2 browns should be. Brown, black, white, black, brown, like that. And take the clear band up and take the 5 bottom bands up. So it should look like that, and now you can pull the ears a little. They're so cute. Like that. And now take another clear band. And now we are going to use our last 2 white on the, we are going to put it on the middle row and this row. Well, for the design that I made for it. And now the other 3 bands are white. Like that. Now take the clear band up. And then push the bands down. And put another clear band on. I'm just getting the rest of my brown. And now we are going to put 5 brown. Nothing else, just brown. Like that. And then pull the clear band up and pull the bottom 5 bands up. Like that. And now you can see at the top of the head, it's not stretched out anymore. It looks like that. And it has so cute ears. And now we are going to put another clear band on. And we are going to use our last black band, which is for the nose. The cute little nose. And now take 4 round bands and put them on the rest of these pins. Like that. And take the clear band up and take the bottom brown bands up. Like that, and push it down. And take another, actually we are going to pull these 2 outer bands into the next one. Over, no, not to the outside, but to the next one in. So now there are only 3 rows that have bands. And now take one brown band and put it like we would for a clear band on those 3 pins. And now we are going to take 3 more bands and put them on these 3 pins. Like that. So now there are 3 on this side, 3 on these 2, and 2 on this side, 2 on that one. Take the brown band on the side up, and now take the 5 bands up. And then push your bands down, and now you can pull the dog more. And now we are going to put the 2 outer bands into the middle row. And now we're not using any more brown. And we are going to use our 3 pink. And now we are just going to put a pink on there and take all 3 bands up and put it onto the pink band. So now we are on the tongue. We are almost done. And now just take another pink and use your hook to take the bottom pink band up. And now take the 3rd pink and put it on, and take the 2nd pink and pull it over. And now we also need a C-clip, or we can just do a slip knot. But I like doing C-clips for this one. Now pull it onto your hook. And now pull it. And now we are done. This is what it looks like. This is what yours should look like, and this is what they look like together. And now it's time for the sneak peek. And the next time I do a tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a Alpha Loom Jibanyan. He's my favorite character. Well, he's one of my favorite characters from the game Yokai Watch. And yeah, he has 2 tails, and I like how I did the ears. But yeah, and I am excited to do this one with you next time. Bye.